Hi, my name's Robert Goldsworthy from Honeywell Video. Today we're going to be going over Rapid Eye, search and export of video from the remote viewer. So we're going to go to the Rapid Eye Multimedia View icon on the desktop and double click. And then we'll have the login screen. By default, it's administrator and no password. And we're going to select OK. Now if this is your first time connecting to that particular DVR, you're going to need to right-click and go to Maintenance. And then once it connects with the DVR, you can either check your settings that you have across the DVR, or as long as you attempted to go into maintenance, you can then close that out. And then since we want to go over video retrieval, we're going to right-click and go down to Retrieval. And then here we can select which cameras that we want to view. So here I have cameras 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to go back to yesterday, so from the calendar here I'm going to select the 11th. And then I'm going to go to 12:05 and then select OK. Then I'm going to go up here to the little quad screen, select that. And then I have my 3 cameras playing back at that time. So what I'm looking for is we have a bus that shows up here in the bottom camera 3 view. Freeze that when it comes into view. So if I go up here to the top icon, I have freeze video. So I'm going to wait till I see the bus there coming in. And then selecting that icon will freeze it. So from here, if I want to take a snapshot, I go to File and select Print. Then I'm going to have a pop-up here, the Print Preview Settings Reset Notification. I'm going to select Yes. And then I have a little window here that's going to open showing my picture. I can then zoom in, zoom out, so whichever size that you want your picture to be. So here I'm just going to go to full shot here. And then simply select Print. That's going to then open up a Save As. So here I'm going to save to the desktop, and you can give it a file name. So here I'm just going to put in Test, and then select Save. And then select Close. And to show that, I'm going to go ahead and minimize my viewer here. And as you can see now, I have the file on the desktop here. So I'm going to go ahead and double click that to open it. And there's my snapshot. So then from here you can either save this to a thumb drive, print the picture then to a printer, or whichever you're going to do to it. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. To reopen my viewer, it's the icon in the lower right hand corner here, the little camera with the red swoosh there. Go ahead and double click on that. So then we're going to go up to the upper left-hand corner and select the tile image size. That'll bring back to our cameras here. So here I have my 3 videos again. I'm going to go ahead and unfreeze my video there. And then I want to export a clip. So I'm going to go back to my time. So I go to the little bullseye here, which is my go-to. And then from there, I'm going to select my 12:05 and select Go to Time. All right, so now my video is back at 12:05. So now to create a clip, I'm going to go up here to the little clip icon and click on it, and that's going to start recording. So as you can see, it's flashing red now. So that means that it's currently recording. So I'm going to wait here for my bus to show up in the scene and then pass all the way through, and then I'm going to stop the recording since that's the clip that I'm looking for. So there we have the bus showing up in the image there. So then as soon as I want to stop the recording, I just click the Stop Recording clip. That then comes up with where I want to save it. So by default, it's in this Rapid Eye Multimedia 9 folder here. I'm going to change that and select the desktop. And then you have the file name here, which has month, day, and year, and, and the time of the video. Okay. Yep, so down here we have the file name. This has the month, day, and year, and the time of the video. You can change that if you want to. I'm just going to leave it as that, and then select Save. And then once again, I'm going to minimize my viewer here. And there's the clip on the desktop. I can just double click on that. It's going to launch the application, which, since it exports all the videos included in that clip, I can select an individual camera to play or all three. So here I'm just going to do camera 3 and then select OK. And then there we have my clip playing back here. And then you have full functionality to play reverse, fast forward, etc. So if you need to export that then to a thumb drive, CD drive, you can just copy and paste that or use whichever DVD burning program that you have. And that's it. That's all that it takes to search and export video from the RapidEye remote viewer. Thank you.